we are going to start chapter number 5, practice set 5.3. All right. So let me share my screen with you. Okay. So we have completed practice set 5.2 yesterday itself, right? Now we are going to start practice set 5.3. Okay. In this practice set, we are doing the sums with the help of formula, that is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? Here if a is equal to 2m and b is equal to 5, so 2m minus 5 cube. Okay? So 2m minus 5 cube. So if we'll see this in practice set 5.3, so the question is 2m minus 5 cube. 2m minus 5 cube, right? 2m minus 5 cube. Now, here we are going to use the formula a minus b cube. So what we'll do first, we'll consider this 2m as a, this 2m as a and this 5 as b, right? 2m as a and 5 as b. So here a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We'll substitute the values in this formula and after that we'll solve the equation, right? We'll substitute the formula. Which formula we are going to substitute? A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. Now substitute the values. A as 2m and b as 5. Now a cube means how much? 2m cube minus 3. A square means 2m square. B means 5. 3. A means 2m. B means 5 square minus b cube means 5 cube. Right? Now 2 ka cube is how much? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. It's 8m cube minus 3. First solve the brackets. 3. 2m square means 2 का square कितना होगा? 4. और m का square m square into 5 remain as it is. 3. 2m remain as it is. 5 का square 25 और 5 का cube 125. Now 8m cube remains as it is. First multiply numbers and then variables. तो पहले हम 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 m square will remain as it is. Again 3 2s are 6 or 15 into 6 is 150 m minus 125. So this is the answer. Okay. All right, everyone. So again, just a minute. So 2m minus 5 square. So solve this sum. Please pay attention, everyone, if you're not understanding this. Okay, just a minute. So here it is 2m minus 5 cube. 2m minus 5 cube. Okay. Now for this, we are going to use the formula, that is which formula? A minus b cube. Okay. So a minus b cube. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, that we have learned yesterday. We have learned a plus b cube formula yesterday. Today we are going to use a minus b cube formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now our a means what? Our a means 2m. This a means what? 2m. And b means what? 5. B means what? 5. So a means 2m, b means 5. So a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This formula has to be written up. This formula has to be written. You must write this formula. You must write this formula. Now substitute the values like 2m, a means 2m, b means 5 cube is equal to, a means what? 2m cube, right? Minus 3, a means what? 2m square, b means what? 5, right? Plus 3, a means what? 2m, b means what? 5 का square minus 5 cube. ठीक है? The equation will like this. See, 2m minus 5 cube is equal to, a cube means what? 2m cube minus 3a square means 2m square, b means 5 plus 3, a means 2m, b means 5 square minus b ka cube means 5 cube. Now, first solve the bracket. Here, 2 का cube कितना होता है? 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8m cube minus 3 into, ये 3 ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई है और दिस ब्रैकेट इज ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई टू दिस 5. नाउ 2 का स्क्वायर कितना है? 4, m का स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर into 5 प्लस 3 into 2m into 5 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? 25 माइनस अगेन 5 का क्यूब कितना है? 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125. ठीक है? द इक्वेशन विल लाइक 2 का क्यूब 8, m का क्यूब m क्यूब माइनस 3 into 2 का स्क्वायर कितना? 4, m का स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर into 5 प्लस 3 2m remain as it is into 5 का स्क्वायर कितना? 25 minus 5 का क्यूब कितना? 125. Now 8m cube will remain as it is, right? First multiply numbers. Numbers कौन से है? 3 4 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 60. M square will remain as it is, as no any variable is there in this equation, right? ये फॉर्म में कोई भी इक्वेशन नहीं है तो सिर्फ सॉरी वेरिएबल नहीं है तो सिर्फ m स्क्वायर अपनी जगह पे रहेगा. 3 4 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60 m स्क्वायर प्लस अगेन यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 2 जा 6, 6 into 25 150 है ना? 25 6 जा 120 150 और m जो है वो अपनी जगह पे रहेगा minus 5 का क्यूब 125 will remain as it is. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So very first step is to solve these kinds of sums is to first write down the formula and after that substituting the value of a and b. Instead of a and b we need to substitute our values. ठीक है? a क्यूब की जगह पे आएगा 2m क्यूब minus 3 2m square 5 plus 3 2m 5 square minus 5 cube, right? Now 2m cube is 8m cube minus 3 into 2m square is 4m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 25 minus 125. Now 8m cube, just a minute. Now 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Okay, this is the equation. This is the answer. ठीक है? Please note it down or else you can take screenshot of it. I am giving you 2 minutes to note it down or else you can take screenshot of it. ठीक है? The sums are big now. Sums are big now. I know this, this practice set is somewhat, it looks bigger but it is not actually. We need to just substitute the values, that's it. है ना? सिर्फ values substitute करना है और answer find out करना है. It's not too much difficult. It looks like bigger sums but it is not difficult. Yes? सिर्फ calculation fast होना चाहिए हमारा. Yes? Okay, done. So let's move to another sum. ठीक है? Let's move to another sum. Okay, so this sum has been done. 2m minus 5 cube, right? Now 4 minus p cube. Second question is 4 minus p cube. Again, we need to substitute the values and find out the answers. Okay? So here a instead of a, what will take 4, and instead of b, what will take p. है ना? a के जगह पे 4 आ जाएगा और b के जगह पे p आ जाएगा. Then we'll substitute. First, we'll write the formula. Very first step to solve these kinds of example is to write the formula first. ठीक है? So if 4 minus p cube is there, so this is based on formula that is a minus b cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay? Don't confuse in between a plus b cube and a minus b cube. In a plus b cube, all the signs are plus, है ना? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But in a minus b cube, only देखो, अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट जो साइन है ना हमारा, फर्स्ट साइन यहाँ पे माइनस है, और at the end of the equation there is minus sign, means a cube minus and b cube के before, बाकी equation वैसा का वैसा ही है. Only here the difference is between this minus sign. Okay, पहले में और लास्ट में, यही आप ध्यान में रखोगे ना तो आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. So will not get confused if a plus bq formula is there and a minus bq formula is there. If a plus bq formula is there, do with a plus a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if a minus bq formula is there, so go with a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. All right, and then substitute the values and find out the answer. Okay, so again we'll do with this. A cube means 4 cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So 4 cube. So 4 cube minus 3a square means 4 square p plus 3a. A means 4, b means p square minus p cube. Now 4 cube means 64. 3, 4 ka square 16, p will remain as it is. 3 into 4 p square minus p cube. Now 64 will remain as it is. First multiply numbers and after that variables. So 16 3s are 48, p plus 3 4s are 12, p square minus p cube. So this is the answer. It's quite easy. All right. It's quite easy. Okay. So please solve this sum in your notebook. Note it down very fast. Note it down very fast. We need to complete this practice set by today itself, huh? Because one in the whole lecture, only 2 sums or 3 sums we are learning, and other sums still left. So that's why do it very fast. Okay. Done, everyone? Let me know in chat box if you're done with this. All right, done. Okay. So let's move to another one. Okay, so this one we'll do. Seven x minus 9y cube. 7x minus 9y cube. See, 7x minus 9y cube means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so 3 remain as it is. Sorry, 7 ka cube is 343. Okay, I told you before this, before the this chapter is started. Learn the cube from 2 to 10 and learn the square from 2 to 20. It's very essential because if 7 का cube है तो आपको तुरंत आ जाएगा कि 7 का cube 340. तो it will not take much time to make multiplication and then write it down. So if you know it, then you can write it down directly. So 7 का cube is 343, x का cube is x cube minus 3, 7 का square is 49, x का square x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x. 9 का square is 81, y का square is y square minus 9 का cube 929y cube. Again, first multiply numbers and then after that. So I will solve this in my whiteboard, in my own whiteboard, okay? Because in my short mobile screen, these kinds of sums I cannot solve. So that's why I use my own whiteboard for you. Okay. So let me share this. So the sum is what? 7x minus 9y cube, right? 7x minus 9y cube. So the question is 7x minus 9y cube. Okay, so we'll substitute this value in the formula, that is a minus b cube, right? What the formula is? What the formula is? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Yeah. Now substitute the values, this a as 7x and this b as 9y. So I'll write here 7x minus 9y cube, 7x minus 9y cube is equal to a cube means what? 7x cube minus 3. A square means what? 7x square. B means what? 9y plus again 3. A means what? 7x. B means what? 9y minus 9y cube, क्योंकि b का cube दिया हुआ है, right? Now the cube of 7 is how much? What I told? 343. 343 x cube minus 3 into 7x का square means 7 का square is 49 x square into 9y will remain as it is. Open up the bracket. हमको इसमें bracket को सबसे पहले open करना है. Then 3 into 7x into 9y square. 9 का square is 81y square minus 9 का cube is how much? कितना है 9 का cube? I have told you what the cube of 9 is. Yes, 729. It's 729 y cube. ठीक है? So the equation will become like this. 343 x cube minus 3 into 49 x square. Yes, I know, beta. Tejashri, very good. Prisha, 729 is the cube of 9. So 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 81y square minus 929, sorry, 729 by cube. Okay. Now what we need to solve? Here 343 will remain as it is. Now this 3 get multiplied with 49 plus 49 and then after that 9. First multiply numbers. ठीक है, इसमें x square भी है y भी है, means two variables are there. So first we will multiply numbers. ठीक है, so we'll multiply this 3 into 49 and into 9. ठीक है, so first multiply 3 into 49. क्या होगा 3 into 49? Okay, so 49 into 3, 27 to carry. Yes, 147, correct. और 147 into 9 क्या होगा? 147 into 9. Do it first. 147 into 9. 1323. Correct. It's 1323. 1323. So here it will come minus 1323. So here it will come 1323. Then यहाँ पे आएगा x square and then y. ठीक है. First multiply numbers. पहले हमने किया 3 into 49. 49 into 9 is 1323. 1323. And then variables. How much variables are there? X square and y. So x square y. ठीक है. Plus. Now multiply. 3 sevens are 21. 21 into 81. Okay. 21 into 81. What the answer is? 21 into 81. One seven zero one. Correct. 1701. So here it will come 1701. X y square minus 729 y cube. Okay. So the answer will like 343. Okay, the answer will become 343 x cube, 343 x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. All right. So what we did, 7x minus 9y cube. We have substituted the value of this 7x and 9y in this formula a minus b cube. The formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now a cube means 7x cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now 7 ka cube is 343x cube minus 3 into 7 ka square is 49x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x, 9y square means 81y square minus 9 cube means 729y cube. Okay, now 343x cube will remain as it is. First multiply number 3 into 49 into 9. The answer is 1323x square y plus 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 81 is 1701 xy square. And after that 729y cube. Okay, make a it down. Actually, it's easier, but what happened? Only need practice of calculations. ठीक है? अगर आपकी calculations correct है, तो no problem with this sums. But if the calculations are not proper, voice is breaking. Is my voice breaking?
Yes,
Network
teacher.
full है.
Yes, teacher. Now
Voice is
start
breaking,
breaking.
teacher?
Yes, teacher. Now only
Now-
started.
Okay. Just a minute. It's clear now, teacher? Hello?
Yes, teacher. Little breaking.
Okay. Another sum is 58 cube. 58 cube. We have seen these kinds of sums yesterday also. So that was of plus, 54 cube, 54. And now it's 58. Eight cube. 58 means how much? What numbers will take that? I told you that if we want to make addition, that if numbers are before 5, means if 55 is there, before 55 is there, so we'll take it as if 54 is there, so 50 plus 4, 50. For 58 cube, take minus 2 as 50 cube. Very good, Sankalp. Let me see who has done the answers. 62, Sankar, Tejashri, Siddhi, Suryanshu, Ansh, Mahima, Tanvi, Janvi. Okay. So 60 minus 2. So again, I'll show how to do this. So 60 minus 2 is 58 cube. So how to do this? For example, so we can write it as 58 cube is equal to 60 minus 2 cube. Now we'll substitute these values. Okay, 60 minus 2 means what? A minus B cube. Every time you need to do the formula. So 60 minus 2 cube. Screen is visible now. Screen is not visible.
No, teacher. Now it's visible.
Now it's visible, no?
Yeah.
A minus B cube. So we'll substitute this 60 as A, 60 as A, and 2 as B. So 60 minus 2. First of all, we'll write the formula. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, this is the formula. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, now we'll substitute the values here. So A means R60 and B means R2 cube is equal to A cube means what? 60 cube minus 3. A means what? 60 square. B means what? 2 plus 3. A means what? 60. Then B means what? 2 square minus B ka cube means what? 2 cube. Now, cube of 60 is how much? Cube of 60, 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6. क्या होगा? Yes, correct. 216. Okay. Cube of 6 is 216. And then 30 will put 30 for the cube. है ना? मैंने कल बताया था आपको अगर हमको 50 का क्यूब, 40 का क्यूब, 20 का क्यूब आता है तो हम सबसे पहले नंबर का क्यूब करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 का क्यूब इज व्हाट? 216. And for the cube of 60 we will take 30. Cube means 3. है ना? So we'll put 30 over here. Again, minus 3. 60 ka square. 6 6 are 36. Okay, and for square we'll put 2 zeros. है ना? 6 6 are 36 or square hai, that's why we'll put 2 0 over here. Into 2 will remain as it is, plus 3 into 60. 2 ka square hoga 4 minus 2 ka cube is what? 8. Now do the calculation. 216000 will remain as it is, minus 36 into 3 is how much? 36 into 3 is how much? Yes, 108 into 2 is how much? 216. 216 again here. 2 zeros. 2 zeros, hai na? 3 into 36 is how much? 108. 108 into 2. Hai na? 2 8s are 16 ka 6. 1 carry. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 1. 2 1s are 2. Means 216. 2 0 will give. Then plus. Plus. Now 3 into 60. 180. And 180 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 720. Correct. It's 720. Okay, 720. Minus 8. Now the big calculation, turn of big calculation. First of all, we'll subtract these two terms. 2, 1, 6, 1, 0, 0 minus 2, 16, 0, 0. ठीक है, पहले हम subtraction करेंगे. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 carry. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, 11 minus 2 is 9 and 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, right? So 6 minus 2 is 4, 11 minus 2 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1, 1, 9. Okay, 1,94,400. This is the answer. Okay, and after that we need to 194,400 plus 720. So 0 to 4 plus 7. 11, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 9, 1, 195, 120. Okay, and now minus 8. Right? Plus करना है ना? 7 plus. Correct है. Now 195, 120 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 5, 9, 1. 195,112. Yes, 195,112. So the answer is 195,112. Correct. Okay. I repeat this again. Please pay attention. 58 is nothing but 60 minus 2 ka cube. Okay. Now a minus b cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. Now 60 minus 2 will substitute the value. 60 cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 60 का cube is 216 and 0 cube है, इसके लिए हम 30 देंगे, minus 3. 60 का square is 3,600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 4 minus 8. Now सबसे पहले हम 2,16,000 में से this 21600, this we multiply this 3 into 36 and after that into 2, the answer is 216,000 plus 720 minus 8. Then we subtract these two terms. Then after that we'll add this term and after that we'll subtract this term. So finally we'll get the answer 195,112. That is 1,95,112. So this is the answer. Okay? Note it down, beta, everyone. This sums needs calculation very much. Note it down. All right, you can take screenshot of it. Okay, done with this? All right. Okay.